Welcome to the future of performance sedans. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG C63 has redefined what we expect from the C-Class lineup, blending cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and unmistakable AMG styling. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes this car a game-changer. From its muscular lines to the signature AMG grille, the C63 commands attention. The wide stance, flared fenders, and quad exhausts make it clear this is no ordinary C-Class. Plus, the sleek aerodynamics are not just for show. They are engineered for maximum performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 C63 features a revolutionary 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, combined with a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system. Together, they produce a staggering 671 horsepower and 752 heft of torque. That's hypercar-level performance in a luxury sedan. Now, here's the kicker. This is the most powerful four-cylinder engine in production, paired with an electric motor for instant torque and improved efficiency. AMG didn't just focus on power. They've enhanced the driving experience with features like the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, active rear axle steering, and multiple drive modes to tailor the car's behavior to your needs. Whether you're tackling twisty back roads or cruising on the highway, the 2025 C63 offers a dynamic yet refined experience. It's equal parts luxury and adrenaline. Step inside and you're greeted with AMG-specific details: bucket seats, carbon fiber trims, and a driver-facing cockpit. The latest MBUX infotainment system includes track telemetry features and augmented reality navigation. It's all about blending luxury with cutting-edge tech. The plug-in hybrid system not only boosts performance, but also improves efficiency. The electric motor can power the car for short commutes in EV mode, proving that sustainability and performance can coexist in harmony. The 2025 AMG C63 is expected to start at around $85,000, making it a compelling choice for those seeking luxury, performance, and innovation in one package. Deliveries are slated to begin mid-2025. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG C63 is more than just a sedan. It's a statement of what the future of high-performance luxury looks like. What do you think of this electrified beast? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.